Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to clear the cache partition or how to wipe the cache partition. So let's begin with that. And one more thing, this particular video is also applicable for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 as well. So for now, let me show you that how to wipe this partition in Android 10. Although the same is applicable for Android Pie as well, Android 8 and so on. So for that, firstly, I'm going to confirm you that my phone is already in Android 10 version. So after this, what we will going to do, we will be shutting down our phone or power off our phone. And once the phone will be properly shut down or power off, just wait for 4 to 5 seconds so that all the components behind this particular phone will also be properly shut down. So once 4 to 5 seconds time frame is being up, then just press on power button and volume down button simultaneously. Once the Android logo will be available, just release the power button and keep on pressing the volume down button until and unless you will be booting to the stock recovery mode. So this is the stock recovery mode. So here it is a text based or UI, so you can't use your fingers to tap it or select it or touch, like it is basically not a touch based UI. So if you want to shuffle between these options, then you have to use volume up button and volume down button, and to select or press you have to press on power button. So in this particular video, we have to choose fifth option from the top or fourth option from the bottom, that is wipe cache partition. So this one. Now I have selected using volume down button. If I have to go up, then I'll be pressing on volume up button, but let's say wipe cache partition. So this is and afterward, if you have to like select this, then you have to tap on or press the power button. Afterward, it will be showing you one prompt like wipe cache, this cannot be undone. So basically nothing is to be worried. So any junk that has been accumulated till now, once you have set up your phone, this may include, you might have installed various applications, you might have uninstalled it, you might have like upgraded your phone from like one Android Oreo to Android Pie, and after Android Pie to Android 10, and you haven't reset it. And aside to that, your monthly updates and so on, everything creates some sort of junk files in the background. So we have to keep on deleting this time to time basis. So I will suggest you to make this habit at least 15 after each and every 15 days. Follow this particular deletion process of wipe cache partition or clear cache partition. So now we are good to go, and let me show you that I am on a yes option. So to select this particular part, we have to press on power button. So afterward, it will be showing you some things in the below section like wipe cache, formatting cache, cache partition complete, and so on. Once it is done, you are good to go with the reboot system. So by default, it will be selecting reboot system now. So to reboot, just press on power button and it will successfully boot your phone or reboot your phone. So finally, we have been successfully booted to the home screen or login screen. Just enter pin or pattern whatsoever you have applied, and afterward you will see that all the settings, all the layouts, all the apps are still the same. Nothing has been deleted. It has just cleared the cache which is being accumulated from a system wide processes and so on. So this was all from my side related to how to clear or wipe the cache partition in Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.